Hello everyone, Kerry-Lou here. Today I'm going to show you a super quick and easy way to make hooded eyes seem more awake and bigger. What do I mean by hooded eyes? It's when the muscles and the skin around your eye starts to droop over this part, your eyelid. So you can't see the eyelid anymore, and in some cases it can actually interfere with vision if this part here gets low enough. It goes over the lashes and can make the eye look smaller and tired. Some people have hooded eyes naturally, even as a child, even babies, and I think that can look really nice. I'm talking about the kind of hooded eyes that happen as you get older that can make you look kind of sleepy. I'm the ideal model for this because I do have hooded eyes, as you can see. I have a full face of makeup on right now, everything except the steps that I'm going to show you. I'm only going to demonstrate on one eye so you can see the difference as we go along. Now this is the most basic technique to disguise hooded eyes. I'm going to keep this very simple and natural looking. In the future, upcoming videos, I'll give you something more dramatic. So let's get started. I like to use concealer as a primer because I have dry skin. This one is Bobbi Brown's Creamy Concealer in Sand. This blocks out any discoloration on my lid and makes the eyeshadow last longer. Apply it from the lash line to the brow bone. To get the contour illusion right where you want it, the first thing you have to do is look at yourself dead on in the mirror. Decide on the area that you want to recess with this technique. In my case, it's right here. I'm going to give the illusion of a contour that I don't really have. I'm using a fluffy angled brush. You can start applying with your eyes open. You don't have to close them. That way, you'll see the exact effect this is having. This is an old favorite eyeshadow of mine by Lancome. The color is Mochaccino. Do you see the effect this is having already? I love this color because it's neutral, not too warm, not too cool. Now you could stop here for a very natural look, but I'll go ahead and with a slightly smaller brush just above my lashes, I'll go back with more of this same color, making it a little more intense. Now you'll see the effect is more noticeable. Next, I'll apply a little vanilla eyeshadow by MAC just above my iris and sweep it out a bit. This is one of my favorite highlighter colors for the brow bone area. It really helps lift the eye area. I'm using a Lancome black eyeliner pencil. This one is a very soft color which works well for this look. Make sure you always keep your eyeliner pencil nicely sharpened or it won't work properly. I'm working it close to the lash line and in between the lashes. Quite a difference, yet very subtle, before and after. And lastly, lash curling in mascara. I like to curl in two places along the length of my lashes. This gives the lash a nice C-shape curve, not an L shape. I'm using L'Oreal Voluminous in Carbon Black. Use whatever color you think works best for you. If you like to keep it more natural than this, try a brown or a black brown. So, do you see the difference? Even though this is a natural look, I think the eye I worked on looks much bigger and more awake. I really like this quick everyday look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!